In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter elements out of a vector using a logical vector. We've actually already done it. You just didn't know that's what was going on in the background. So I'll start with something like this. I have this vector z that consists of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm going to try to filter something out of it, which means I need to put the square brackets next to it there. And then what I'm going to put inside here is just the vector x, which is a logical vector. What's going to happen is I'm going to filter out the elements that correspond to trues in that vector x. And those elements are in the first two positions. So I should get just the 1 and the 2 back, which I do. That's where the trues are. That's what I get out of that vector z. Okay. Now if I move along and I say let's try z, and I'll fill in the square bracket with y, well, if I look, the trues are actually in the first and third position, so I should get 1 and 3 back. In fact, I do. So that's something if I explicitly have a logical vector in there. Now I'm going to make another version of this where I don't explicitly have a logical vector in there. I'm going to type this guy. All right, I'm just putting extra spaces in so it's easier to see. So what I have here is the vector z, and I want to filter out the elements where z is bigger than 3. Well, remember, this part right here actually outputs a logical vector. What's it going to output? It's going to look through the 4 elements here. It's going to see that the first 3 are not bigger than 3, so that's going to be false, false, false. It's going to check the 4th one, and it's going to say, hey, that's a true. So what should happen here is I get a number 4. In fact, I do. So that's how I can use the filtering functions on R. That was great until that last line.